Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make soft chicken caterpillar bread. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 3/4 cup of warm water, 3/4 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 cups of wheat flour, which is approximately to 550 grams, 1 1/3 cup of oil, 1 egg, and lastly 1 packet of yeast. In a large bowl, start by pouring 3/4 cup of warm water, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 packet of yeast, and mix everything well. Then you're going to add 1 egg white and continue mixing. Then add 1/3 cup of oil and give a quick mix. In a large sieve, you're going to add 3 cups of wheat flour, which is approximately to 550 grams, a pinch of salt. Then you're going to sieve the flour into the bowl and mix everything slowly till everything is well combined until you get a dough. Using my hands, I'm going to knead the dough till it's super soft. Continue kneading the dough for approximately 3 to 5 minutes till your dough becomes super soft. Once you're done kneading the dough, you're going to take the kneading bowl, then spread some oil in the bowl. Then afterwards, place the dough inside, then cover and place it in a warm place to double size. Depending on the yeast, the dough is going to double size for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, we're going to make the chicken filling. Ingredients you're going to need: mixed vegetable, some salt to taste, black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, a 1/4 kg of chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, or you can use any cheese that you like, 1 lime, 1 slice of onion, and lastly you're going to need a handful of coriander leaves. In a medium pot, you're going to add the chicken breasts, then sprinkle some salt, then add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and you're going to squeeze 1/2 lime and mix everything well. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. Then cover the chicken to let it cook on a medium heat slowly by slowly till well cooked. Let the chicken to cook till well cooked and the soup becomes less. Once your chicken is well cooked and the sauce is less, then your chicken is ready, and remove it from the fire and place it aside. Then afterwards, I'm going to cut my chicken into small pieces as you can see in the video. And I'm done cutting my chicken, and it's high time to cook our chicken. In a pan or a pot, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add some sliced onions and cook the onions till they start turning color. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. Then add the mixed vegetables. I have some green peas, carrots and green bell pepper, and mix everything well. Then you're going to pour a 1/4 cup of water so that the vegetables can become soft. When the vegetables are soft and the water is completely dry, you're going to add the chicken, then sprinkle a bit of salt, then add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and mix everything well. Then I'm going to squeeze the remaining half a lime, optional, to add an extra amazing taste to your chicken, and give a quick mix. Lastly, add a handful of coriander leaves and mix everything well and cook your chicken for at least 2 to 3 minutes, then your chicken will be ready. When your chicken is well cooked and it's completely dry like this, then your chicken is ready, and remove it from the fire and place it aside to cool down. After 1 hour, our dough has double sized, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to remove the dough from the bowl. Then afterwards, you're going to spread some flour on the working surface so that the dough doesn't stick at the bottom. Then I'm going to divide my dough into 6 small doughs, or you can divide them into 7 or 8 according to the size of bread you would like. And my 6 small doughs are ready, and it's high time to fill our breads. When your chicken has cooled down completely, you're going to add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, or you can use any cheese that you like, and mix everything well. Make sure when you're adding the mozzarella cheese or any cheese, the chicken has cooled down completely so that the cheese doesn't melt. Take 1 dough at a time. Sprinkle some flour and roll out the dough into a medium-sized circle. Then you're going to add the chicken filling and roll the dough to cover the chicken. Using a fork, secure it so that the chicken doesn't come out. Using a cutter or a knife, you're going to cut the remaining dough into strips. Then afterwards, continue to roll the dough, as you can see in the video, step by step. And my chicken caterpillar bread is ready, as you can see in the video, and I'm going to show you the second technique. As you can see in the video, I'm done filling the chicken and cutting the strips. Then afterwards, I'm going to roll the dough. Then at the end, I'm going to attach it to each other so I can have a round caterpillar shape. And I'm done shaping my breads, and it's high time to bake them in the oven. Before baking them in the oven, apply some eggs as you can see in the video, then afterwards decorate them with some sesame seeds. Then afterwards, bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And after 25 to 30 minutes, our chicken caterpillar breads are ready as you can see in the video. Serve them hot or cold, that's up to you. And my chicken caterpillar breads are ready as you can see in the video. You can eat along with the cold juice or soda and enjoy your caterpillar breads. I'm going to cut the bread into two so you can able to see how the inside of the bread looks. This is so delicious. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.